Let me stand.
Wait, let me get out of the way.
With the beer.
What's he doing?
I changed my mind. Ain't gonna do it.
Try.
Alright, I'll try. But I have a beer.
So?
Save the beer.
Come on, wait.
You need a longer rope.
Throw it. Just kidding. Don't throw it.
No sense now, you're already in the ripples. I can't pull you down there.
Pour upriver.
Yeah. I can pull you upriver. You want upriver?
No, I'm good.